In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prototype on Figma. This is a fantastic tool for creating interactive designs and really bringing your projects to life. So, let's dive right in. To get started first, you'll need to go to the Figma website. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that allows designers to work together in real time. Once you're there, make sure you click on the login button. This will take you to your account and you'll be ready to start creating some amazing prototypes. Now once you're logged in, head to the Figma home. This is where you'll find your recent files and projects, ensuring you can jump back into any work with ease. It's always a good practice to have your projects neatly organized, so you can focus more on the creative process without any disruptions. Next, let's move on to designing your frame. In Figma, frames are just like artboards in other design tools. They act as containers for your design elements and will serve as the foundation for your prototype. Take your time designing the frame, making sure all elements are exactly as you want them. This step is crucial as it creates the backbone of your project. Once your frame is ready and you're satisfied with the layout, you need to switch to the Prototype tab. You can find this at the top of your Figma interface. Switching to the Prototype tab opens up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing you to add lifelike interactivity to your static designs. Now that you're in the Prototype tab, it's time to set interactions. This is where the magic happens. In this step, you choose how different elements on your frame interact with each other. Figma offers a variety of preset devices which can give you an idea of how your design will appear on different screens like smartphones, tablets, or desktops. You can set up transitions and animations here, bringing that extra level of detail and dynamism to your design. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've taken your static frame and created an interactive, engaging prototype on Figma. Prototyping is an incredibly powerful way to test your designs, convey ideas clearly, and collaborate effectively with teammates or clients. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, dive into Figma, keep experimenting with different design elements and interactions, and soon you'll be prototyping like a pro. I hope this walkthrough was helpful to you, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!